Hey King,
Yes, dickhead.
let's go feed the birds some XLAX covered bread and watch them shit all over Bobby.
Yeah. We're going to piss off Bobby. Let's go piss him off and watch him go into sissy bitch mode.
Birdie birdie. Tweet tweet. Tweet tweet. Come and get your bread little birdie. Tweet tweet. Tweet tweet.
Oh boy. Little bread pieces, boy am I hungry. That was some delicious bread. Now to fly back to my little cage and find a plan to get Sylvester that mean old putty cat.
God damn it. Why does one fucking piece have to break off this raggedy ass fucking car? This is bullshit.
Boo, you motherfucker!
God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. Fuck. 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 Fuckity. Fuck. 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 Fucking raggedy rigged motherfucking car. There's always something wrong with the motherfucker. God damn it. A fucking bird just shit on my fucking goddamn head. I'll fucking kill that motherfucker. I'm going to grab my fucking gun and shoot that fucking bastard. Backpack. I need my fucking gun because a goddamn bird done shitted all over my head. Do your signature shit like you do on Dora the Explorer.
Fine. I will, just chill the fuck out, fat boy. Pull that stick out of your ass and extract the Lincoln log splinters.
Backpack, 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 backpack. On the backpack loaded up with things and knickknacks too. Anything that you might need, I got inside for you. Backpack, 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 yeah!
Bobby needs his gun to shoot the bird who shit it on his head. Can you help me find it? No. That's Bobby's porno magazine. How the hell is he gonna kill a bird with that? Try again. No. That's a blow-up doll, stupid. Try again. Seriously. That's Nick Will, you stupid ignorant motherfucker. Try again. Do not screw this up. Seriously, dumbass. That's a diamond ring to give to one of his hoes. I swear to God, if you fuck this up one more time, I'm going to fucking kill you. Finally. At least you have some fucking common sense to finally find the damn gun. It really did take your last brain cell to find that gun. Yum 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 yum. Delicioso.
Now to shoot that fucking bird for shitting on my fucking head for America. Fuck you, you goddamn bird. That's for shitting on my fucking head, motherfucker. I hope you become the stray cat's dinner, you fucking yellow motherfucker. Oh man, I don't feel so good. I think I'm going to.
Well, Mr. Bobby Jean Payton, it looks like you have the bird flu. Have you been exposed to someone with the bird flu?
God damn it. That fucking bird done shitted on my head and got me sick.
Here comes Dickhead with the cure for your bird flu.
Oh man. Not that fucking kid again. What do you want, Dickhead?
I was just coming in to tell you that you are.
Hate to say that.
And you're also.
Gay!
gay, 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 gay.
Man, fuck you. Your mama.
Now the only cure for bird flu is to do the churro dance and beating from Granny because you killed her Tweety bird. Now get up, fat ass, and start dancing.
No. I'm not getting up. Give me some medicine to cure the shit.
You'll do as you're told and like it. Now get your fat ass up and start dancing to the tra-tra.
Great. I have no fucking choice but to do it. Fuck my life.
Sigue el ritmo, tírala, dice, tírala, tírala, dice, tírala, tírala, dice, con la boricua, demasiado.
There. Are you fucking happy now?
Yes, you are halfway there. All you need to do is take that beating like a champion and don't cry like a little bitch.
Bobby Jean Payton, how dare you kill my little Tweety bird? That's it. I am going to beat your fucking ass, you fat motherfucker.
Wow. You fucking old bitch, hit me in the fucking head.
Good. I hope it knocks some fucking common sense into your fucking empty ass airhead of yours, motherfucker.
Hooray. You're cured. Take him to the cell, Granny.
Wow. I cannot believe that old fucking hag put me in the jail cell for no reason. I hope that old bitch breaks her hip.
You lost all 5 stars, Bobby.
Fuck you, Mario. I'll fucking kill you.
Are you making threats a day, you fat motherfucking bastard?
Yeah. I'm fucking making a threat, you fucking asshole.
No more stars for you, Bobby. You lost all of your stars, fat ass.
Boo, you motherfucker!
Now I'm going to shoot your sorry ass, motherfucker. Take my goddamn stars away again, you fucking son of a bitch. I'll fuck you up next time.
Shut the fuck up, you fat fucking bastard! No, but you watch the air, you fucking mouth! Shut the fuck up! I just screwed up my life.